Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to discuss about high order functions, especially compact map and the compact map values. So uh, let's discuss about compact map. As we know that if we need to traverse an array, uh, we use for loop. Basically, we use for loop and traverse through the array. But Apple Foundation provides us these high order functions which helps us to traverse the array in a more generic way. So, like suppose we have a situation, like let's suppose we have an array which have which have some string values, suppose like that, and three, and there is one more. Okay, so there is a situation where I need to find out that I need to discard all the values from this array, and there are possible ways is to use a for loop. I traverse through the array and eliminate this nil value. The second option is to use the compact map. So like I'm going to print this using the array dot compact map, right? So we are going to use its closure like this, and I am going to return here from $0. So what it will do, it will pick up each and every element from the array. It will transform it and returns an array which will not have any nil value. So let's run and see how it works. Okay, so here you can see that I have this array which has a nil value. So when I use this compact map, and $0 means it will return the element, each element. $0 represents each element, and this is the closure form of compact map. So this is how we use compact map to transform an array and to unwrap the values from an array. The second, we are going to talk about compact map values. So compact map values helps us to uh, transform the dictionaries and to unwrap the dictionaries. So like suppose I have a dictionary like this, and which have a key A, and which has a value of 1. There is a key B which has a value of 2, key C which has a value of 3, and key D which have a nil value. Okay, so key D has a nil value. So I need to traverse this dictionary and find out that I need a dictionary which has no nil values. So to achieve this, we can use compact map values. So let me show how we can use this. So I'm going to use dictionary dot compact map values, and I'm going to use its closure form, which is this, and I'm going to return $0. $0 means the each element, each key value pair from this dictionary. So let's run and see how it works. Okay, so here we can see that a compact map values returns a dictionary which has no nil values, which means it will discard the key and its value which has a nil. So this is all about the compact map and compact map values. Thank you for watching.